If you're looking for a cordless chainsaw under $250, but with so many options out there, how do you know which one's actually worth your money? Well, I've done the homework for you. In today's video, I'm breaking down the top 5 cordless chainsaws, covering power, weight, battery life, and overall value, so you can find the perfect fit without breaking the bank. Let's jump right in. Number 1. DEWALT 20V Max 12-inch Cordless Chainsaw. The DEWALT 20V Max 12-inch Cordless Chainsaw is a compact beast built for lighter cutting jobs around the yard. It runs on a 20-volt battery, weighs about 12.55 pounds, and delivers 0.7 horsepower, enough for trimming limbs and small trees without any hassle. Now, the 12-inch bar isn't the longest on this list, but that's actually what makes it so easy to handle. It's well-balanced, reliable, and backed by DEWALT's solid build quality. If you want a grab-and-go chainsaw for quick yard work, this one's a great everyday pick. Next up, the Ego Power Plus 16-inch Cordless Chainsaw brings some serious muscle to the table. With 2.3 horsepower and a 16-inch chain, this thing handles thicker branches and medium-sized trees like a champ, all while weighing just 9 pounds. What really stands out here is the power-to-weight ratio. It runs on a single lithium-ion battery and comes in multiple size options to fit your needs. If you want gas-like performance without the fumes and noise, the Ego Power Plus is honestly hard to beat. Coming in at number 3, the Greenworks 16-inch Cordless Chainsaw is a solid all-rounder that punches above its price point. It comes with a 4 ampere-hour battery and charger included, runs on 40 volts, and features a durable stainless steel build with a 16-inch bar. What sets it apart is the warranty. You get a 4-year tool warranty, a 2-year battery warranty, and a lifetime motor warranty. That's pretty rare at this price. It's also available in multiple sizes if you want something different. For budget-conscious buyers who still want peace of mind, this is a standout choice. Number 4. Makita XCU10SM1 18-volt Cordless Chainsaw. Now, if you're already in the Makita ecosystem, you're going to love this one. The Makita XCU10SM1 18-volt Cordless Chainsaw packs an impressive 3.2 horsepower into an incredibly lightweight design, making it one of the most powerful compact saws on this list. It runs on a single 18-volt lithium-ion battery and comes with a 3-year limited warranty covering the tool, battery, and charger. The engineering quality here is top tier: smooth cuts, minimal vibration, and easy chain adjustments. If you value premium build quality and raw power, the Makita is a top contender. Closing out our list, the Sihuird 18-inch Cordless Chainsaw goes big with an 18-inch bar and 1,500 watts of cutting power, running on a 60-volt system with 2 batteries included. At 24.2 pounds, it's the heaviest on this list, but that extra weight comes with extra reach and power. The real highlight is the intelligent protection system. It includes overcharge, over-discharge, over-voltage, short-circuit, and temperature protection. That's a lot of built-in safety for the price. If you need a budget-friendly chainsaw for bigger jobs and don't mind a little extra weight, the Sihuird delivers solid value. Alright, Those are the top 5 cordless chainsaws under $250. If I had to pick favorites, the Ego Power Plus wins for best overall performance. Links to all 5 are down in the description. Go check them out. If this video helped, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a review.